Hi, welcome to the Growtopia, a project crafted to serve the farming community with a unique online platform. Created as a part of the web system and technology module, this project showcases the essential web functionalities centered on e-commerce and community support in agriculture. So my name is Chaturudhyanga, so let's continue. When it comes to the key features of this website, Growtopia includes a set of features focused on creating a comprehensive platform for its users. Key features include a product browsing system, a robust cart management tool for easy purchasing, and a review system that empowers users to share and read insights about products. When it comes to the technologies used for build this project, Growtopia in Growtopia we use Laravel, a high-level PHP framework that supports stable and scalable backend infrastructure, and also Livewire 3 enhance interactivity, enabling real-time updates and seamless user experience. So when it comes to the file system of this product, Laravel utilizes model view controller architecture. Now let's start from top and view discuss about each file that utilize model view controller. In our first app folder in HTTP, here you can see all the controller files. This control the logics of this web application. For instance, you can see auth controller or authentication controller. This inside auth controller, this store function is used to register user. You can see we validate the request, validate the email on the request here, and if there isn't any error while validating, we create an instance of user or we add the user to the database and flash a message saying please log in to use our service, or else he will be redirected to the login page again, like that. Now let's move on. Because I use Livewire, in here we also have Livewire component controllers. Livewire has separate controller for each its component. When it comes to these models, these are the database models that we use to communicate between application and the database. For instance, this cart controller enables us to do cart operation on cart table in the database. As you can see, I have cart table, contact table, news table, product table, review table, and user table. Now let's move on to the uh, views. In Laravel, views stored in uh, resources views. In here, you can see these folders that directly inside the views folder are the main pages of my website, about cart, contact, etc. When it comes to the this layout folder, this is the master layout of my website, and every each and every other layout extend this master layout, as you can see right here. So because I use Livewire, here you can also see interfaces of the Livewire components. So we can store our HTML, CSS, and images files in public folder. Only the files in public folder can be viewed by user. First, we will see what user can do without logged into the website. Uh, of course, user can view home page of the website without logging in. So you can here see there is a carousel with some images and our services section and some other sections and a footer. Also, about the section can be viewed without logged in, as you can see right here. Now, when it comes to news section, it also can view without logged in. Uh, so user can get immediate information even if he isn't logged in. As you can see right here, there are some news cards, uh, and I use JavaScript to ensure that user can filter out this card according to their taste to enhance usability of this product. So information about these cards are already stored on the database. I will show you that right here. As you can see right here, information is already on the database. So when it comes to code in news controller, I use this news module to get those information from the database, order or in the order of created at column, and I send those data to the news view, that inside resources view folder. When it comes to news blade, as you can see right here, I take the list comes from the controller and loop through each and every one of them and create a card for it. This syntax is known as blade syntax. We can without as you can see right here, we can do PHP function inside of a this file, blade file, without the need of opening and closing PHP tags. Uh, it makes it more usable as a developer. So now let's move on to our product section. In product section, you can view the product section as a non-authenticated user, and there are some product as well. And these products also can be categorized according to the user's needs. Here you can see I use pagination to ensure improved usability of this page. As you can see right here, so user can just simply uh, click on add to cart button to add item to the cart. But here, because he didn't logged in first, it will show a message, error message. So I can click on this card and go inside the product, and you can see all the details of the product. And here also we have a add to cart button. It said the same thing as before. And I created this review section solely using PHP and Livewire for reactive components. As you can see right here, I am not able to add a review because I am not logged in. And you can see there is a username Yasita Malshan, that one of my accounts. I will show you here. Names are in right here. Yasita Malshan. He added a review, but I can't edit or delete this review. First, because I'm not logged in. Second, even if I logged in, this review doesn't belong to me. Now let's move on to the contact us page. Here there are some details about how how user can contact us, and there is a contact us form here. So user can fill out this like cha- chatur. First of all, all these fields are well dated, so enter user cannot leave them unfilled or enter things that they can't accept. For instance, if I use a wrong phone number here, it will display a message that's saying please enter valid phone number. Let's enter a real phone number, and email address should be real as well, or at least should be in the right format. Let's say yes.com and message hi. And also we can add an attachment to this. I will add this Growtopia image and send message, but it will send user back to the login page because we hasn't logged in yet. Now, so let's start by creating an account. In here, these inputs are validated as well, so we have to enter real information. For instance, let's say Janit123 and the email janit at list.com, and NIC. Here we have to enter valid NIC. Let's say and password should be at least 8 characters, 2345678, and let's click, and you can see account successfully created, please log in to use our service, and we are redirected back to our login page. So now let's log in using that credentials. So email is Johnny at test.com and password is 1234567 okay, and there is a success message saying you logged in as and your name. And we can see that in our database and under users, a new record has been added uh, that corresponding to our account that we created just now. And as you can see right here, all the password are hashed to improve security. So first, you can see right here, Because Tanit doesn't have a profile pictures, it will just show you an image with the first two characters of his name. And here, let's first move on to the profile section. In profile section, you can add the profile image. So let's add this Livewire image, and you can update his name, Janit. Let's say Sandamal, and he can change his email or NIC because this account depend on that. They can change their username at 4 and 5, and city Malawi, and province we can choose Western, and there are some zip code, and we can update profile. You can see there is a message called successfully updated profile, and the profile in the navigation bar also has been updated. Uh, Now let's move on to the change password section in our profile. In here, these fields are validated as well. This done by using PHP. In here, I have to use Livewire because when without using Livewire, if there is an error in this section, this page will automatically will be refreshed to profile page. So I use Livewire here to ensure that won't happen. I will show that here. See, this is the change password component inside Livewire folder, and you can see right here I'm validating current password required, and the password that entering now a new password is required string. Minimum character should be 8, and password should be confirmed. If that happened, there is a logic to change password. First I check this current password is similar to the authenticated user's password, and if that is true, then I am changing their password. And after changing password, uh, if not, sorry, if not, I will send error message. uh, Else I will update the password of the user's account, and I will redirect back into the profile page. uh, in here, let's try to read that. Let's say password. Now our password is 1234 1 through 8, right? Let's enter box password here. 9, I enter till 9, and here also till 9, and here till 8. uh, Now this password doesn't match because this field doesn't match, and now both this field are 1 through 9, and when I click this, current password is incorrect. We can now the old password is similar to the what we entered, 1 through 8, so this password will be updated. uh, Password successfully updated. In here also we can remove our profile, delete our profile. To delete that, we have to first type delete inside this input box. Without that, it won't work. If I enter other than something other than delete, it will show a incorrect message saying it is incorrect. Let's add delete, and after click on delete, it shows pop-up a confirmation dialog, and I can say just delete it, and now we automatically logged out. If we go back to our database page, you can see the record I created. If I refresh, then it's gone. Now let's log in as a user that already exists. Let's take Chatura, and his email is cha@test.com. Uh, cha@test.com. So the password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 8. Sorry. After logged in, you can see there is a two cart item already loaded. This happened because I previously added these two products to the cart, and I used to store this cart information in a session. But the thing is, when I logged out, these sessions will be cleared, and so the cart information will be deleted. As a solution for that, I created two methods to store the cart information into database when we uh, log out, and restore them from database, and insert into the session once we logged in. As you can see right here, these products are also already inside this cards table with a relation to user ID and the product ID. And in here, this card is also totally created with using Livewire without dependent on JavaScript. Uh, as you can see, I will show you here. Uh, in now in here, I have to go. If I click on something like this, Livewire will update, and I can delete these items as well. And the prices are worked according to this. So first, I can clear this cart as well. Um, when we log out, if we try to add some item to the cart, it showed us a error message. But here you can see item added to the cart, and this logo immediately updated. Here also I wouldn't use a Livewire, and let's add few more items to the cart. And now I add three of these Osmo Code Smart item. As you can see right here, it will show three as the quantity. I can check out, and it will show you a pop-up message saying item will be arrived soon. And another thing is, now let's move on to the review section and see what we can do when we are logged in. Here also you can add the product to the cart. Furthermore, we can now write a review. Let's say I give this star and average page product, say average product, and add. As you can see right here, it instantly updated, and I also these are updated as well. Let's write a new another product, somewhat based. See right here, reviews are already updated, and we can update this product somewhat based. Let's say great, great, and same. That's comment update, and this overall rating has updated as well. And also we can delete this, and these comments are item specific, so you can see this average product rating on other product. Let's say here, like that. So this is the also we have a similar product section here. So we can view the product with the same category in here. So uh, after that, at last we can log out from this system, and it will show our successful logout message.